Hello YouTube. I have not been posting shit lately because I'm tired as hell. And well, today we got a freaking Hoover wind tunnel. This one I found on the garbage side of the road. And here's the Dirt Devil swivel guide. I also found that on the side of the road. This had to have problems. I had to get a new filter for it and shit. Had to get a new bag for it. And it worked really fine. This one has a bad smell. Probably why they threw this thing away. It smells like a, I don't know how to describe it, like kind of burnt smell kind of thing. I'm gonna quit shut up and talking. I got paper, I don't have anything. I don't have rice and flour like I always have. Well, let's just start. 3, 2, 1, go. Crap behind. God darn, my cat's trying to come in this room. Well, it pushed everything out, but it groomed the carpet really well. That's pretty good. Well, alright, let's move on to the Dirt Devil. No, this. Right. I think it's going to turn on by itself. Alright. Alright. Let's go for this one. Hopefully it works. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, why does it turn off like that? Well, this one, the Dirt Devil one, and I got wiring issues now, god darn it. I got wiring issues with it. Let me show you what's wrong with it. It's going out of focus. Focus! There we go. A while back, when I got this thing, the people, when they threw it away, they snipped the cord on it, so, this part right here got a hose and stuff. See, I don't think you can see it well, but like, you see right here, it's starting to come apart, I guess. Wiring coming loose right here. And also, the handle release is broken. That's great. Bad working handle release. Well, that's the end of this video. Have a good time.